Assalamu alaikum to all the students. Class 3, Unit number 1, English Class 3, Unit number 1. All are welcome. Let's talk, read and practice the given dialogue. Teacher: Dear children, I welcome you to the new class. Students: Thank you, teacher. Teacher: I feel very happy to see you all. Are you ready to learn new things? Students: Yes, teacher, we are. Teacher: Look around. I have decorated the classroom with a variety of things for you. Which one do you like the most? Students: Many answers. Charts, flowers, posters, map, poems, timetable, plants, class rules, etc. Thank you so much.